How do you get emojis on the iPad keyboard? The first step is to make sure you have the Emoji Keyboard added to your iPad. So first step is to head over to the Settings app, and from those, click on General and proceed to the Keyboard section. So you can find Keyboard right there, and tap on the keyboards at the top. So this is what you need to click on, and you might have plenty of different languages, but you want to make sure that emoji is one of them, right? Because I have English, SwiftKey, French language, whatever, and emoji is one of them. If I delete it, or if you don't see the emoji in there, what you have to do is to click on Add New Keyboard, and emoji should definitely be suggested to you, or you'll be able to look it up, and make sure you just add the Emoji Keyboard to your device, right, to the keyboard's selection. And now that we have it set up like this, we can go to any place we want to type the text. For example, we go to the messages, right, you can see the keyboard has shown up below, and in order to access Emoji Keyboard, you have to switch to that emoji one which we added, and the switching is done through the globe icon, which is in the bottom left corner, and you can either hold it down on it and switch through all of the different languages which you could see before, like I had English, French, and so on, and one of them is going to be emoji like this, so you can switch to emojis, and now you have them nicely shown, right? So you can type in whichever one you want and then come back to the text. Or you don't even have to hold it down on the globe. You can tap it like this, and it's going to go between the keyboard, right? So as you can see, it is jumping between the keyboards, and you eventually go through the whole list and find the emojis. So it depends on your setup, but that's how it works. You essentially switch to that keyboard through the globe icon, and you can then come back. So that's how you can find them and get the emojis. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.